Hello everyone and welcome to SIMmetry's tutorial series. This tutorial on 3D objects will provide you with a basic understanding on how to add these types of objects into your project. To begin, we will go over where these objects are accessible. To access the 3D objects, on the ribbon menu, click on the Objects tab and in the 3D group, click on 3D Objects. 3D object types that are available in SIMmetry are 3D shapes and 3D objects, which include urban design, power lines, pipelines, fences and walls, and buildings. We will cover these specific 3D objects later on in the tutorial series. To create a 3D shape, from the 3D Objects drop-down menu, click on the required shape. In our example, we'll be selecting the 3D sphere. Next, we're going to place the shape's base points in a 3D window. This particular shape does not have base points, so we will just find the center point of the sphere. We're going to click on the desired location on the 3D window. Next, we're going to move the mouse up or down to define its height. Click again to complete the object. If you are using a shape that does have base points, you will drag the mouse left or right to set the shape's base size. I do want to make a note that for every object that is created in the 3D window will be populated in the project tree. To create a 3D object, from the 3D Objects drop-down menu, click on the required shape. Once the dialog box is displayed for the selected shape, set the parameters for the shape. Then finally in the 3D window, use the mouse to create the object. Again, these 3D objects will be covered later in our upcoming tutorials. We went over where to access 3D objects and how to add them into your project. This concludes the tutorial on 3D objects. For more information, refer to Chapter 13, Objects tab in SIMmetry's user manual. Thank you for watching and please stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.